So today's our topic is image reference, and we will see that how we can use image references pictures and we can edit our pictures in MidJourney. So without wasting time, let's start. First of all, we will click on it. Click on upload a file. We have to choose our picture. We will choose this picture. Click open and just hit enter. And your picture will be uploaded here. So here is our picture. Just right click on it. Copy image address or copy link, both are same. So come here, type slash, click on imagine prompt. We have to paste our link here of this picture. So with the help of Control V, I will paste my link here, comma, space, and now I will write my prompt here. So here is our prompt, very simple and very small or short. Cyberpunk girl inside spaceship using device. Or you have to just click and you will see that what will be the result of it. So here are our four pictures, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you want to upscale it, you have to click U1, U2, U3, U4. Mean any of these pictures you have to upscale, you have to click U1 to U4. And if you want four more variations of each pictures, you have to click V1, V2, V3 and V4. And this is reroll button. If you will click on it, you will get four more different pictures. After clicking V1, because we want to make four variations of this picture, we will hit V1. So here are our four variations, and if we want to upscale now, so 1, 2, 3, 4, whichever you want to upscale, so you have to just come here U3 because we want this picture upscale. So we will click on U3 and MidJourney will provide us this result. But if you want to make four more variations, you have to click on it, and if you are okay with it, so this will be our final result. So here is our final result, and I wish this video will help you to edit your own pics in MidJourney.